All right, what's up, guys? Today we're going to have a quick mini lesson on the geography of ancient India. There's only a few key things I want you to know about the geography of India, so let's get that locked in our brains right now. All right, looking at this map, I want you guys to see that there's a large mountain chain to the north of India. In fact, it's the largest mountain chain in the world. It's called the Himalayan Mountains. This features Mount Everest, one of the largest mountains in the world. These Himalayan mountains are going to protect India from the north. Now, to the west, you have these other mountains called the Hindu Kush. These are in Pakistan and Afghanistan. To the west of India, you have Afghanistan and Pakistan. So you have mountains on both sides of ancient India. What that's going to do is it's going to make India a subcontinent. Now, regular continents like North America, South America, Asia, they're humongous, right? India is really big on its own, but if you see, it's a giant peninsula here. It comes off into the Indian Ocean, okay? Because these mountains surround India and block everything out of India, it makes India a subcontinent. It's kind of its own little continent on its own. Now, added into it being a subcontinent with mountains, it has two main rivers, and I really want you guys to focus on learning what the names of these two rivers are. The main river of ancient India is the Indus River. My cursor is flowing over the Indus River right now. The Indus River starts in the Himalayan mountains. When the ice melts, it's a science term coming at you, runoff. Runoff occurs and it floods the Indus River all the way down. Now, those floods that we know about from Egypt and Mesopotamia produce a really rich soil called silt. Well, this is the same story in India. This is an agricultural community, and they live off the Indus River's silt, okay, and the flooding. So flooding is a good thing in India. Now, over here, I want you to see, also coming from the Himalaya Mountains, is the Ganges River, okay, or Ganges, however you want to pronounce that. This is kind of the cultural and spiritual heart of modern day India, okay? Hinduism is a religion you're going to be learning about, and many Hindus travel on a pilgrimage to the Ganges River and take a bath in there and bathe and pray. And I'll show you some pictures of what that looks like. So, two main rivers of ancient India. You've got the Ganges and the Indus. Now, it's important to know that in modern day Pakistan, where my cursor is going, this is the borderline of Pakistan. The Indus River is actually in Pakistan, a whole nother country. Pakistan and India have a really testy relationship with each other over the past 20 to 30 years and even now. So the old Indus River is actually in Pakistan. But for our ancient history, we're focusing on all of this as being part of India. So here's another picture for you, just with it labeled. So when you're reading this or you're watching this, you can see, oh, Ganges is right here and Indus is right here. They both flow from the Himalayan mountains. So let's see what that looks like. This is a picture of the Indus River, okay? Now, notice all the giant mountains around it. You'll also see a whole bunch of farmland around it, okay? This is an extremely important agricultural piece in ancient India. Now, Ganges River, do you see how many people are surrounded? This is during that annual pilgrimage to the Ganges. Okay, they come here. You can get buried in this river. Okay, you can take your cremated ashes and dump them in this river. You can take baths in this river. It's an extremely important cultural part of modern day Hinduism and even ancient Hinduism. One last thing I want you to know, and that is monsoons. Monsoons occur in India. Okay, they're extremely important for farming, for agriculture. These monsoons change the seasons on the subcontinent of India. They end the dry season by bringing rain, and they also bring the dry season by pushing rain away. I've got some videos of what monsoons look like, and they are epic. They're going to be on my Google Classroom. Please make sure you go and see that. So, a quick recap. Subcontinent. India is a subcontinent. It has two main rivers, the Indus and the Ganges, the largest mountains in the world, the Himalayas, and we have monsoons.